about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. I've ground turkey. I've ground turkey and rice. Oh, it's a brown sugar shaken espresso. 5 shots. Good morning, vlog. I just got home. I'm so exhausted. I was gonna work out, but I think today's gonna be a rest day. I'm gonna make some tofu again. I might actually add some noodles to that too, and just relax for a little bit. And then after I eat, I'm gonna edit, upload, and just relax today. I went to bed way too late last night, so I'm exhausted. I had 5 espresso shots, and I'm just beat. And I've been beat all day, so I'm just gonna chill, to be honest. So I'll see you guys when I'm eating. Actually, yesterday, the tofu that I made was so good. I'm gonna literally make it again, but I'm gonna add some noodles. So good. So I'm doing some rice noodles with some tofu and some onions and peppers. And then I'll just put some soy sauce, sriracha, and some spicy chili crisps, and then some Japanese barbecue sauce. That's pretty much it for that meal. It's quick, it's fast, and it's good. So that's what I'm having. And then I think I'm gonna relax for the rest of the day and then cook some dinner. Yeah, I'm actually excited for dinner. We have 2 potatoes, so I'm gonna do stuffed potatoes, but I'm gonna start a little bit early because every time I do potatoes, it takes forever, and I really, 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 really want it to be good. So I'm gonna start maybe at like 5, but that means I have to finish eating so I can edit and upload quickly. Yeah, okay, so this is so much food. It looks so good, and it's really not even that much. It's like, for tofu, it's about 200 something grams of tofu, 56 grams of the noodles, and then I don't know how many grams the vegetables are, but I added those too. So it's about done, and I'm gonna eat this.
Okay. Wrong lines. I purposely tried to make my mom do. I wasn't even doing anything bad. I just wouldn't listen to adults, especially my teachers.
And after several discussions and conversations with him, we knew that it would be the most helpful if he had some more support. So
Once I started getting suspended,
went into one room that had an attached bathroom and attached closet.
Okay, and that's the video. I did take a little nibble of the bacon, which we all know is gonna taste amazing. And I did take a taste of the ground turkey, really great. I'm really happy. I'll let you guys know tomorrow how the whole thing tastes together. I didn't put any cheese on mine. So yeah, that's the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye.